Our BG Diesel Performance Oil Change is a fresh start for diesels. This service cleans both the oil and fuel systems and then adds an oil conditioner for longer service intervals. First, BG EPR, Engine Performance Restoration, cleans and removes compression robbing deposits embedded between the piston rings. BG 245 treats diesel fuel and restores fuel system performance by cleaning the injectors and combustion chambers. BG 245 is a professional use fuel system cleaner that is effective in just one tank. The result is restored performance, smooth engine idle, and most importantly, fuel economy improvement due to system cleanup. BG DOC, specially designed for diesel engine oil, neutralizes acids and acid corrosion. It reduces friction wear on engine parts, stabilizes viscosity, prevents sludge due to increased oxidation, and provides an increased level of soot control. The right combination of air and fuel is critical to diesel performance. The BG Diesel Performance Oil Change helps avoid engine wear, downtime, and high fuel costs. The BG Forever Diesel Plan with up to $6,000 of engine coverage is included free with this service.